Hey everyone and welcome into another video. My name is Jason and today we are going to be reviewing the charts on Gevo, ticker symbol GEVO, because they have seen a significant sell-off, and again we are down again over 3% on the day, and you guys can see up on my screen that we are actually at the Fibonacci retracement right now of 0.618. So guys, if you are new to my channel, I do a lot of technical analysis and also I analyze all types of different stocks. I hold a diverse range in my portfolio, and again I would love to have you on this journey with me. So make sure to go down there, smash that subscribe button, it's free and you'll never miss an episode. Also hit that like button and consider joining this family. And if you would like access to my private buy and sell alerts, I do update the Patreon every single day with news, information and anything that I am buying and selling as swing trades and also long-term investments by clicking the link that I will leave in the description below. And the Patreon is just the price of a cup of tea, and there are limited slots left, guys. So that was opened from last week. We can see that we are sitting at oversold levels right now on the RSI, and again we can see that we are at major support zones. So all of these indicators tell me, guys, that we are in fact due for a rebound in the Gevo price. And again, this is in fact making a double bottom, as you guys can see right now that we have tested down here 2 times before. We did actually break down from that layer of support around $8. So again, where is the next level of support? Well, you guys can see there is a very clear support around that $6 range. And again, we have started to pin bar off on the day, and we are sitting at those oversold levels. And you can see in the past, guys, since July, that Gevo does not really like to go below any of this 30 level on the RSI. And the only time it did happen was when we did have that major correction, obviously in March, and things have since settled then, and this is all due to inflation fears moving forward. Now, how can we use the Fibonacci tool to actually help us better understand the price of Gevo moving forward? Well, guys, on a long run up like this, you can actually apply a Fibonacci tool, and again, you can put it from the low to the high, and you can actually see different layers of entry, or different layers, as I like to call them, where you can get a better price indication for optimum entry on your, obviously, buys or sells. Now, the typical retracement, guys, for a Fibonacci level, if it was going to go into more bear territory, would be for it to bounce around that 618 level. And again, you've got 50% off, and then you have the 38 levels. So these are all marks that I like to use for that level of support and resistance. And if we actually apply this Fibonacci onto the Gevo stock, you can see that on the 3.8 level, this is a layer of resistance, guys, that I had drawn in here weeks and weeks ago. And you can see that every single time we have, in fact, touched it here 1, 2, and even 3 times, this has acted as a resistance. And typically, if you've applied the Fibonacci, you can also see that, again, this is, in fact, a very strong resistance line. We have also tested over here before as well in the past, at the beginning of February. Do excuse my mouse, it's a bit clicky today for some reason. When I do draw on the charts, it doesn't always give me a full line. Now, on the support, you guys can see on here as well that this does in fact act as a support at the 618 mark. So this is why I like to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, because again, it's just another indicator to go off, obviously, to show me where stocks can potentially move in the short and also the long term. Now, I think that this is going to be a nice stock to in fact load our boats, because $7 is an absolute gift, and I don't think that we are going to see prices of Gevo down here this time next year, again, near these single digit ranges. This is going to be a long-term double-digit wealth builder inside the portfolio. So even if we are to enter Gevo today into a smaller swing trade, and we are in fact to take profits at that $10 range, that would not hurt us in the short term, because again, we would be making over 30% from the current share price. So this is some nice moves on Gevo, and I think that in the next few weeks, we can definitely see some upside of 30% in the Gevo shares. So this could be a very nice barrier to entry, and with all of these technical indicators lining up, guys, this just does start to reassure me again that Gevo is in a prime spot to in fact be bought up. Now, the reason why I am bullish on Gevo, despite the fact that the 21 EMA is in fact below the 200 SMA, which would show me that we are in bear territory, is just because I know that all of the good things are coming for this stock. This stock will continue to deliver a rollout, guys, in the green energy sector, which is going to take off over the coming years. I am investing my money strongly and heavily into innovation stocks that are set to dominate in the new world. And I have made many videos on Gevo, guys. So if you would like more information on the company of Gevo and what they do, then be sure to check out one of the videos that I will link above now, because they are an incredible company moving forward. And Bill Gates even invested his money into Gevo for the very first time when it was sitting around that $1 to $2 range. And he did have a large stake in this share because he was looking to invest his money into green energy moving forward. So guys, I think that right now we are at primed position to buy Gevo, and it would not surprise me that in just a couple of days we can start to see those highs again of anywhere between $8 and $9. So that is what I'm doing with Gevo. I hope that you did find this technical analysis useful, and I hope that if you are going to enter a position in Gevo, be sure to like below and also let me know by typing in the comments so I can obviously check back in with you and see how we are all doing. If you would like access to our private Discord, like I said, I will leave a link in the description below. I hope to see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing, and I hope that you are enjoying these technical videos where I give you those tips and tricks, in fact, how to become a better technical trader. So guys, that wraps up this video. Stay safe, stay green, stay positive, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao!